Recovery and body, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. These numbers come directly from your wearable device. Sleep score is on a 0-100 scale set by your device maker. A card with 3 tiles: sleep, a score like 82, weight in kg, and body fat, a percentage. Below those you may see colored pills showing your sleep breakdown, how much time you spent in deep, light, and REM sleep. Terra sends sleep, body, and daily vitals webhooks whenever your wearable syncs. The backend normalizes each payload using 3 functions. Normalized sleep entry maps provider-specific fields, Garmin versus Fitbit versus Apple Health, to a standard schema with sleep score, 0-100, total sleep seconds, and stage durations, deep, light, REM. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.